Craftsman Hannah McGann and Lance Corporal Ryan Hughes on photography and smoke will be helping me through this demonstration. In front of you, you'll see some yellow, orange landing panels that are set up. This is not a target, but you will see some of the people trying to hit it.
Wind's all over the shop. You can really see it. The smoke's going back.
We use these panels here to do this. And if you look up, you see red helicopter today, Tiger helicopters flown by. We have 4 jumpers. We have Major Shane Cook, who's our jump master. We have Colonel Dan as well, who also is his birthday, so please share it on that. We have Sergeant Scott Gilroy and Corporal Ryan Mears. So, as you can see, we just lit some smoke there. The purpose of the smoke is so that the jump master can assess the wind direction. So, sorry to the people who are downwind of it, it is non-toxic, and it may just steer you a little bit, but we need it in order for us to assess the wind direction so that Major Cook can decide on what jump and they should do. So Major Cook is currently sat behind the pilot on the right-hand side of the helicopter, the left-hand side as I'm looking at it, and he'll be briefing the pilots up now on which direction to do the run-in. On this run-in, the helicopter's coming in at about 2,000 feet, and what's going to happen is Major Cook is going to drop something called a wind drift indicator. The wind drift indicator is a 20-foot long piece of crepe paper that has a small weight attached to the bottom, and what we use that for is to assess how strong the winds are at each altitude. What will happen is, once he throws it out over the cross in about 5 seconds, the wind will blow it in a direction, and he'll use that direction in order for, and distance in order to correct the landing. So there's the wind drift indicator, it's gone out now, you'll see him. If anybody manages to get hold of him, then you can bring him back to the REME Lightning Bolts tent over by the Army recruitment stand, and we'll give you a small prize for doing so. So what's happening now is the helicopter is going to begin to circle and watch those wind drift indicators. So they are behind the